This is a 1998 Ford Ranger, and this customer is doing an amazing customization of this Ranger carbon fiber and custom finishes to it. So we are going to redo this wheel with carbon fiber on the top and bottom, get rid of all that old worn out leather, and then we are going to add a custom touch to it with white lettering for his company name in it, and it is going to look shockingly amazing when we finish with it. So take a look at that and we'll transform it and we'll see what it looks like when it's finished. Well, I can guarantee you've never seen a Ford Ranger, 1998 Ford Ranger steering wheel that looks like this. This is a game changer for this. We obviously went in and put real carbon fiber on that. Look how beautiful that looks. Just gorgeous. You've got the 12 o'clock racing dial there, and then the contrasting basting stitching against the Lamborghini perforated leather. And then something neat that we did is we put this customer's logo, this Preble logo, on the inside curve of the bottom section of carbon fiber. So obviously this is going to be a one-of-a-kind and is going to really top off his custom restoration of this vehicle. Give us a call, craftcustoms.com, if there's anything we can help you with.